Hello, hello, and we are back. This is Friday, and I think it's good time to summarize the week. And week as a week, and week as a price action, because price hit our target. We said from day one the price will go lower, will hit that weekly fair value gap, and it did. What a price action, what a week. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So, we hit our target. We can, I believe, close the week with confidence that job well done. Thank you very much to myself for beautiful top-down analysis. What we've done, we started from when you check my first video without a sound. We've done top-down analysis on a monthly chart. Started from the monthly chart, there you go. Top-down analysis, that was my first video without sound, muted, and we said the price will move lower to the weekly fair value gap. That's what happened yesterday, and I managed to get quick trade. I've seen the price going lower of that fair value gap, created another one, and there was no reason not to take a trade. I slightly regret not to go all the way to our target like we've done. Something similar to this trade there, with a full confidence so early with the price action. I was so confident, and I kept the trade all the way down. I slightly regret I didn't do that on this occasion. That was slightly 3-1 instead of what? Let's have a look. 3-1, 11. I will get back to 11 at some point in the future. I'm not targeting 11, but I know it's doable. It's crazy because everybody is targeting 1 to 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1 is very rare. 5 absolutely is like a diamond. And I think what's this one? 7. 7 is the biggest score at the moment. So what I would like to do now, first of all, clean up the chart. I think we've got so many videos proving the thought process step by step, price action, targets, everything black and white. So I think it's good time to clean up the chart. I love that classic. As you can see, at this point we knew the price. You see the yellow, the orange one. We knew the price will go higher to go lower. That was our home run target, and we hit that target yesterday. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful price action. Anyway, let's clean some chart. And tomorrow we start from scratch, I believe. It will be a bit of target, a bit of challenge, because yeah, we're starting from square one. So I want to get rid absolutely everything of my chart. If I could do that. Interesting. Can't do that. How about that? Delete drawings. Hey! Hallelujah. Hallelujah. So we've got nice clean chart. Save it. Just to mention, before I started recording videos, I've done another 2 trades on the different charts over there. Let's go on that only, just to close the subject properly. That's my another trade there. 483 and another 4 to 1 before we even start recording. So it's there, black on white. It worked pretty well, and after that we've got the full price analysis. Excellent. So that can go as well. I don't want to even summarize the profit. Actually I could, but I think good. 15, around 15 to 1 maybe profit, which is not bad for rookie and beginner, I think. So let's remove all the drawings. Bash. Okay. We're going back. We're going back to, I can save that. Yeah, I'm dealing with crypto as well, but that's not for this channel. We're going back there. We're going back there. Nice, fresh, clean chart, ready for upcoming week, upcoming challenge. So yeah, thank you very much. That's it. This is just quick summarize of the previous week or so, possibly 2. The price hit our target, so we're starting fresh from possibly tomorrow. Tomorrow we do again top-down analysis, and we start basically from there. I still got in plan. I prepared all the pairs. Done the quick list of USD pairs, Japanese, yen, and Canadian, all the possible pairs, and I would like to make one video about going through them and pick some pairs that I would like to focus on. Possibly one USD pair, one non-USD pair, and possibly dollar, because dollar is crucial, and I think 3 pairs is plenty. Focus on 3 pairs and build them and build on them, and that will be the plan for the future videos. So thank you very much. Well done, Lucas, and I'll see you next one.